Ezekiel 25:17. The path of the righteous man is to be set on all sides by the inequities of the selfish and the tyrannies of evil men.
Here we go now. Let me seduce you with my body rock. We make tunes, yeah. You know the shit don't stay tuned like the Loon Squad. The local be getting it on. I come faster than Apollo 13 skate block. I just wanna put some feeling in. So get the feeling, friends. So come on, let's begin. And it's a simple procedure. Listen up, and body rock will lead us. Stop. I don't wrote this tune. Only had 30 seconds to know it. So down, wait a minute. Got the flow on the whip. Destroy. I don't wrote this tune. Only had 30 seconds to know it. Slow down, wait a minute. Body rocks in the whip. You will never be my love. You will never.